Hi there. In this AI EngineHost review, I'm going to show you a tool that can completely change the way you host websites, apps, and even AI projects with no monthly fees. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making any decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal from testedapps.com, a six-figure affiliate marketer with over 6 years in the industry. I create these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, smash that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've lined up some exclusive bonuses if you decide to grab AI EngineHost through my link below. They're designed to help you get even faster results. Check the description for all the juicy details. You don't want to miss these. What is AI EngineHost? AI EngineHost is a cloud-based hosting platform built for the new AI era. It lets you host unlimited websites, apps, domains, and even AI tools without paying monthly fees. It's perfect if you want to build authority sites, sell hosting services, or launch your own AI projects quickly. Why it's a big deal. The coolest part? No monthly hosting costs, one-click WordPress and app installer, built-in email hosting and SSL certificates, developer-friendly backend, but newbie simple commercial license included. You can even sell hosting to clients. You don't need coding skills. You don't need expensive servers. The AI and cloud tech do all the heavy lifting for you. Real talk, my honest take. Now listen, this isn't some get-rich-quick button. AI EngineHost gives you the tools to host anything you want online at blazing speeds. But like anything real, you've still got to put in the work to create awesome websites, apps, or services. Top features that stood out to me. Unlimited hosting. One price. Host as many sites and apps as you want. No monthly bills. Pay once. Use forever. Built for AI apps. Future-proof tech ready for AI-based websites and tools. Commercial license, resell hosting, and keep 100% of profits. Easy email setup, professional email hosting included. How it works. Step 1. Log in to the dashboard. Step 2. Choose what you want to host. Website, WordPress, apps, AI tools. Step 3. Launch it instantly and start driving traffic or selling services. It's drag and drop simple. No servers, no cPanel nightmares. Okay, let's go over and play a quick demo video explaining this a little bit more.
Hey there, stop whatever you're doing and listen carefully. Are you still stuck paying $30, $50, even $100 a month for slow, outdated hosting services that can't keep up with today's demands? Your website takes forever to load, your apps crash under pressure, and don't even think about running anything AI-powered. Let's be real, the world has moved on. YouTube runs on AI, Amazon runs on AI, even your competitors are using AI to get ahead. So why are you still relying on 1990s-style hosting for a business that needs to thrive in 2025 and beyond? Look, we get it. Hosting is the foundation of your online presence. Your website, your tools, your funnels, your apps, everything depends on it. But every second your site is down, every time a visitor leaves because it's too slow, every missed opportunity because your server couldn't keep up, you're losing money, traffic, and trust. And if you're building with AI, whether it's a chatbot, content generator, or your own SaaS tool, forget about it. Old school hosts just weren't built for that kind of power. That's why we created something entirely new. Introducing AI EngineHost, the world's first AI-optimized hosting platform crafted from the ground up for creators, developers, and online business owners ready to build the future. With AI EngineHost, you're not just getting hosting, you're unlocking a digital command center for your websites, AI tools, and next-gen business ventures. Host unlimited websites and domains with zero restrictions, launch lightning-fast WordPress sites in just one click. Deploy AI models like Llama 3, Grok, Mistral 7B, GPT-Neo X, and more. Run powerful GPT-based apps, chatbots, or SaaS platforms without limits. Enjoy blazing SSD speed, ironclad security, and USA-based data centers, all with an intuitive control panel that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. And here's the best part. it's all designed to be simple. Our beginner-friendly control panel gives you full control even if you've never hosted a website before. It's the same kind of power used by top enterprises, but offered to you at a fraction of the cost. AI EngineHost is future-focused and future-proof. Why settle for bloated, overpriced, outdated hosting that just doesn't deliver? AI EngineHost is built for smart entrepreneurs, developers, and tech creators, digital marketers, and business owners, innovators who want to push the limits of what's possible online. Whether you're launching a single website, managing a portfolio of projects, or building the next AI-powered platform, AI EngineHost gives you the power, flexibility, and freedom to make it happen. And here's what makes it even better. During this special launch, you can lock in lifetime access for a low one-time payment. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, no limits. That means no more $100 plus monthly hosting bills, no more scaling restrictions. Just pure performance, AI optimization, and the freedom to create forever. But don't wait too long. This is a limited time offer. Once the timer hits 0, AI EngineHost will switch to a monthly subscription model, and lifetime access will be gone for good. So ask yourself, do you want to keep paying more for less? Do you want to stay stuck with outdated tech, slow websites, and limited support? Or are you ready to step into a new era of hosting, an era where your creativity isn't held back, your tools run at full throttle, and your online empire is built on a foundation that's fast, flexible, and future-ready? It's time to break free from traditional hosting. It's time to power your future with AI EngineHost. Click the button below and grab your lifetime access before this launch offer ends. AI EngineHost, built for speed, powered by AI, designed for you. But please, don't close this page and come back later. The price is going up fast. This discount won't be available to everyone. Once our server capacity is reached, we'll be closing the doors for good. And remember, you're also covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's literally no risk involved. So what are you waiting for? There's no way for you to lose here. Click the button below right now to get access to AI EngineHost at the lowest one-time price. We'll see you inside.
Presenting AI EngineHost, the world's first AI-optimized NVIDIA GPU-powered unlimited hosting platform, built for speed, scalability, and smart automation. If you're tired of slow websites, expensive monthly hosting, and outdated dashboards, this changes everything. Let's show you exactly how it works. Once logged in, you'll see a beginner-friendly, streamlined control panel. No coding, no complex setup. Everything is clean, simple, and ready to use. Easily add your domain and start hosting. AI EngineHost supports unlimited websites and domains, with zero restrictions or hidden charges. Manage multiple projects, client sites, or your own digital empire with complete freedom. Use the one-click installer to instantly set up WordPress, AI tools, or any popular open-source script. No tech stress. Just click and launch. It's that fast. AI EngineHost supports full deployment of advanced AI models like Llama 3, Grok, Falcon, GPT Neo X, and Mistral 7B. Perfect for launching AI apps, SaaS platforms, or your own branded chatbot tools. Built on USA-based data centers, this platform runs on NVIDIA GPU servers, dual Xeon Gold CPUs, NVMe SSD storage, and Lightspeed technology. Expect ultra-fast loading, stable uptime, and performance optimized for scale. AI EngineHost includes premium SSL certificates, daily backups, real-time malware monitoring, and DDoS protection. All built in. No third-party tools needed. Your data is protected. Your uptime is solid. There are no monthly fees and no renewals. Pay once and unlock lifetime access to unlimited AI-powered hosting and website management. Host unlimited websites. Deploy AI tools. Scale faster and smarter. Click the button below to get lifetime access to AI EngineHost before this offer ends. This is hosting, reimagined and rebuilt for the future. Get lifetime access to AI EngineHost before this launch closes.
Now, let's talk about the upgrades, OTOs. After you grab the main offer, here's what you'll see. OTO 1, Premium Upgrade, unlocks premium features, faster speeds, and extra tools. OTO 2, Max Upgrade, boosts server resources for even faster performance. Great if you're hosting lots of sites. OTO 3, DFY Upgrade, done-for-you setup. They'll set up your hosting environment, apps, and sites for you. OTO 4, Site Builder Upgrade. Drag and drop Site Builder. Create stunning websites without hiring a designer. OTO 5, Website Manager Upgrade. Manage all your websites from one simple dashboard. OTO 6, SEO Upgrade SEO Optimized Hosting. Tools built in to help your websites rank higher on Google. OTO 7, Agency Upgrade, Sell Hosting as a Service. Full white label agency license included. OTO 8, App Suite Upgrade. Access a full library of AI-powered apps you can sell or use. OTO 9, Reseller rights resell AI EngineHost and keep 100% of the profits for yourself. You don't have to grab every upgrade, just pick the ones that match your business goals. Personally, the Agency plus Reseller bundle looks fire if you want to turn this into a full-on business. What I love about AI EngineHost one-time payment, no endless monthly hosting bills. Cloud-based, secure, and crazy fast. Perfect for entrepreneurs, affiliate marketers, and digital agencies. Built-in commercial license means instant income opportunities. What could be better? If you're building super high traffic apps or enterprise sites, you might eventually want more premium server power. Good thing there's a max upgrade for that. It's a serious hosting solution, not a magic button. You still need to build good sites and drive traffic. If you're tired of paying crazy hosting bills and want total control over your websites, apps, and AI projects, AI EngineHost is absolutely worth it, especially with the one-time payment and commercial rights included. Click the link below to grab AI EngineHost now. Scoop up your bonuses and future-proof your online business. This is Kamal from testedapps.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside. Let me know in the comments, what will you build with AI EngineHost? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next tool that can change your business. See you in the next video.